Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Babyganics detergent is probably one of the most essential items for parents seeking a gentle yet effective cleaning solution for their little one's clothes, ensuring that every onesie, bib, and blanket is free from harsh chemicals and allergens, making it a top choice for maintaining a healthy and safe environment for your baby's delicate skin, and providing peace of mind with its plant-derived ingredients and hypoallergenic formula. Number 5. 7th Generation Baby Laundry Detergent. Introducing 7th Generation's Baby Laundry Detergent. It's specially formulated to be gentle on your baby's delicate skin. Don't let stains worry you. This powerful formula tackles tough messes, keeping your baby's clothes clean and fresh. Enjoy a naturally fresh scent after every wash. It leaves clothes smelling clean without harsh artificial fragrances. A little goes a long way with our concentrated formula. You get more washes from a smaller bottle, making it an economical choice. Each 40-ounce bottle provides up to 53 loads of powerful cleaning. That means fewer trips to the store and more time for what matters. Choose 7th Generation for a clean you can trust for your baby. Gentle, effective, and naturally fresh. What we like. This detergent is formulated with plant-based ingredients, making it a great choice for eco-conscious parents. It's tough on stains, so you don't have to worry about those inevitable baby messes. If you're looking for a detergent that's effective and environmentally friendly, this is the one for you. What people say. It is concentrated and goes a long way, but it also does an excellent job of lifting stains, all with a delicious scent. It has no scent and is not sticky. It's a good choice. No strong scent like the other detergents, and removes stains. Number 4. Dreft Baby and Mom Gift Set. Introducing the Dreft Baby and Mom Gift Set, the ideal present for baby showers. It's thoughtfully curated to help new parents manage laundry and keep babies' things sparkling clean. This set includes everything needed for delicate baby clothes. You can ensure their laundry is fresh and free from stains, keeping them comfortable and happy. Accidents happen, but they don't have to be a worry. Our powerful stain removers tackle tough messes, ensuring babies' outfits look their best, wash after wash. Beyond laundry, this set offers an all-purpose cleaner for quick cleanups around the home. It's designed for busy parents who need effective solutions on the go. Make your next baby shower gift memorable and practical. This comprehensive set shows you care, providing essential tools for the journey of parenthood. What we like. This is more than just a detergent, it's a comprehensive cleaning solution for new parents. It includes a stain remover pen, and an all-purpose cleaner, covering all your baby's messes. If you're looking for the perfect baby shower gift or a convenient all-in-one solution for your own little one, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. Cleans everything. My kids have sensitive skin, and this doesn't break them out. I love how well it works for stains, as well. The spray works amazingly on orange baby food stains. The soft scent is lovely. Most importantly, it does not irritate skin. I still use this on my toddler's clothes and bedding. The laundry spray works so well on stains. If you have babies and kids, this stuff works. Number 3. Miss Mouth's Messy Eater Stain Treater Spray. Introducing a powerful solution for life's little messes. This spray is designed to tackle even the most stubborn stains on your fabrics. Perfect for new parents, its gentle formula is safe for baby essentials. You can trust it to clean without harsh chemicals. From food spills to coffee drips, it works on a variety of common stains. Keep your laundry looking fresh and new. Simply spray and let it work its magic. No complicated steps, just effective stain removal when you need it most. It's effective on clothing, underwear, and other fabrics. Restore your garments without the need for dry cleaning. Make laundry day easier with this essential stain treater. It's the perfect addition to your home cleaning arsenal. What we like. When it comes to stubborn stains from food or other messes, this spray is a lifesaver. It's designed to tackle even the toughest spots without damaging fabrics. If you're a parent who deals with frequent and difficult stains, this product will be your go-to solution. What people say. This cleaner handles all of it with almost no effort. It works great on different types of materials too, from sneakers to canvas shoes, and it doesn't leave any weird residue or strong smell behind. It actually works. I've used this on everything from berry stains and spaghetti sauce to grass and dirt. It is like magic. You spray it on, let it sit for a moment, and watch the stain practically disappear. Number 2. Puracy Natural Baby Laundry Detergent. Introducing Puracy's Natural Baby Laundry Detergent. It's specially formulated to be gentle on your baby's delicate skin, ensuring a comfortable and safe clean. Harnessing the power of nature, this detergent uses plant-derived ingredients to effectively tackle stains. You can trust its natural formulation for your little one's clothes. Our free and clear option is completely scent-free and made without harsh chemicals like 1,4-dioxane. It provides a pure and effective clean without any unnecessary additives. This concentrated liquid detergent means a little goes a long way. It's an efficient choice for your laundry needs, offering great value and powerful cleaning. Don't let stains worry you. Its advanced formula includes stain-fighting enzymes that break down and remove tough messes, keeping babies' clothes looking their best. Join countless parents who trust Puracy for their baby's laundry. It's a reliable choice for a clean, safe, and gentle wash every time. What we like. This detergent is made with natural ingredients and is completely scent-free, making it perfect for babies with sensitive skin. Its concentrated formula means a little goes a long way, offering great value. If you prioritize gentle, natural care for your baby's delicate skin and prefer unscented products, this is an ideal option. What people say. This product truly delivers. It's completely removed tough stains like oil, blood, and even rust from my white dress shirt. It effectively removes stains without damaging the fabric or fading the colors. I have very sensitive skin and this doesn't irritate it at all. I feel that it gets things clean and I don't feel any residue left behind. The concentration is no joke. You only need a small amount per load, which makes the bottle last far longer than traditional detergents. It genuinely delivers. The enzyme blend tackles everything from everyday wear to stubborn stains without needing pretreatment. Fabrics feel soft and look bright without needing extra additives. Number 1. Rockin Green Unscented Laundry Detergent Powder. Introducing a revolutionary laundry detergent designed for your family's well-being. It harnesses the power of plants for a deep clean you can trust. Crafted with all-natural, vegan ingredients, this formula is as kind to the planet as it is to your skin. Experience a truly biodegradable clean. Say goodbye to stubborn odors without harsh chemicals. Its gentle formulation is perfect for sensitive skin, even for babies' cloth diapers. You can feel confident using this detergent around your loved ones. It's designed to be safe for everyone, leaving clothes fresh and clean. Enjoy 90 loads of pure, unscented cleaning power. It effectively cleans your laundry without any added fragrances, perfect for a natural lifestyle. What we like. This laundry detergent powder is plant-based and specifically formulated to combat odors, making it excellent for baby cloth diapers. It's also safe for sensitive skin. If you're using cloth diapers or have a baby with particularly sensitive skin and are looking for an effective, natural odor-fighting solution, this powder is a fantastic choice. What people say. If you have hard water and know it, this is a great product to look into. I also really love that it's unscented. OMG. Rockin Green is rockin' my world. My diapers are white again, not kidding, they really are white. No shadow staining or anything. Swish test perfection. I'm just blown away. I cannot recommend this enough. I'm also incredibly impressed because we have very hard water and it was still able to clean and save all my diapers. This product is powerfully effective but has clean ingredients that I don't have to worry about. It comes with a scoop to measure out the detergent. It's not scented and doesn't leave a residue on the diapers or the machine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.